guys, good morning. It is Tuesday, March 24th, and I think it's like 8 something. I don't know. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:10 a.m.
It's 8:10 a.m. Thank you. So today's big objectives while staying home are to put my desk together and clean up my office and paint my nails because my nails are like naked. Need some glitter. So I need to do that. And other than that, I'm just gonna relax and take it easy because I feel like I've been letting my anxious nature get the best of me the past couple of days, and I just need to chill and just relax and spend time with the family and get those two things done. Other than that, I'm just gonna chill and enjoy some coffee and some Netflix and what Disney Plus and whatever else. So I think I also want to try to watch Onward today because I really wanted to see it in theaters, but as you guys know, the theaters are closed right now, so they actually have it for digital download. So I think I might rent that tonight and see if we could watch it because it looked really good and I've heard good things about it. So yay! Hope you guys are doing well and staying home and enjoying time, you know, at home or with your family, doing whatever you want to do. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, this is my outfit for today. I have my black jeans again because I don't know, I should probably at some point wear different jeans. Actually, these are different jeans from yesterday. I have 2 pairs of black jeans now because these are starting to kind of fade, so I bought the other ones, but then I felt like wearing a different pair of jeans. So they look the same, so here we are. And then I have this gray and pink hoodie from American Eagle. I think I got this like last year, maybe last spring or summer, but it's very cute. I like the sort of blush pink that's on it. Ready to start this day. I'm downstairs and I see a baby girl again. You're not dressed?
Yeah, I want to get dressed, but somebody to come with me.
Mommy will come with you. Okay, let's go get you dressed. Let me drop off the stuff and then we'll get you dressed, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Like your song, kid. You gonna get dressed? Let's do it! Is Autumn Connor fully dressed? Beautiful. She picked out this outfit herself and she looks gorgeous. Can you spin? Show us that Minnie Mouse hood in the back. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, you are such a ballerina. You look beautiful. You ready to start the day? All right, let's go get some coffee. All right. And by we're getting coffee, I mean Mommy's getting coffee. Autumn's getting her princess coffee, right? You gonna get your princess coffee? Nice. Yeah. I love that Autumn said that with no prompting. She's just like, Mommy, girls run the world.
Girls run the world.
Hell yeah. You better tell him, girl. My coffee, using my jasmine mug today. Ooh. Not spilling it. What does it say? It says soar to new heights. I like that. All right, I think I'm gonna not mix it up by using my coconut creamer again. Yesterday I had like 2 cups, and from one of the cups I had the coconut cream, for the other one I had Peeps. So I'm trying to mix it up because I have so many creamers. So, which is why I like having a lot of different creamers, because one day I'm feeling one thing and another day I'm feeling another. I should probably go back to measuring my creamer too, because I'm definitely putting way too much in here. That's another thing that like I should probably do today, is like getting back on track with my eating and working out, because I have not been doing that the past couple of weeks and it's not cute. Delicious. It is jasmine coffee and it's delicious.
Share with this one.
We can share this one, yes. We will not share the coffee, we will share the mug, okay? Good deal. There's chaos going on in my house, but I've started one of my 2 goals for today. Painting my nails. So I'm using the Play Rosé by Hollow Taco. It's really pretty holographic rose gold, so how awesome is that I'm already 50%. Well, I've only done my thumb, so I guess I'm not done with the goal, but I've started the goal.
Help me! Help me!
I can't help you, boo. You on your own. It feels good to have almost checked off one thing on my to-do list. And there's only 2, so it feels nice. I feel like usually I like to put a lot of things on my to-do list, but I think it's good to every now and then only have a few things, and then it feels really good when you check them off, so yay! Here's hoping I get to the office later today too, because that's like probably the bigger goal for like the whole week that I want to get done. So we're gonna do it.
Oh my God.
Autumn, how did you get so cute? Can you spill the tea on your secret?
No, I don't want to peel the tea, but I don't want to look.
Yes.
Fortunately, we got a fella helping a ballerina.
Something about a ballerina. I didn't catch half of that.
I didn't say that. Mommy?
Yes.
Boys can be ballerinas all the time.
Boys can also be ballerinas. That's correct, Autumn. Yes.
Silhouette.
Okay, update. It's like 5:00 p.m. and I did get my nails done. So I painted my nails and they look gorgeous. Autumn just commented that they look like rainbows because they have holographic glitter in them. So one goal checked off for today. I have not made any progress or even attempted to make progress on my office just because I've been busy with the kids and just honestly being lazy all day. But I think we're gonna do an early bedtime for the kids tonight, and then after that I am going to work on my office and putting my desk together. So still confident that I'm gonna get it done, but definitely taking a lazy, easy approach to the day, which I'm not really mad about because, you know, sometimes we never get a chance to kind of take it easy. And so I kind of appreciate having this opportunity to take it easy and relax and spend time with my kids and give hugs and cuddles and giggles and all that kind of stuff. So really enjoying that today. Okay, so it's like 8 p.m. The kids are in bed. I've not made any progress on my office. I've not even gone in my office today. So not really making a ton of progress on that goal, but I still am keeping some faith. It's only 8 p.m. I've lost a little bit of motivation to be productive, but I made myself some coffee. So I'm gonna drink this, let it kick in, play some Mario Kart, chill for a minute, probably try and have some dinner. And then I'm gonna try to at least get something done in the office, even if I don't like do a full room makeover or whatever I had in my brain that I was gonna do, but I at least wanna do something and then I'll feel good. So that's the plan. I'll keep you posted on how that works out. All right guys, it's 9 p.m., but we're going into the office. Brace yourselves, it's a hot mess in here. Okay. Oh, so much happening. So much happening in here. Okay, so we have the Christmas tree still up. Now I did, to give myself slight credit, I did take the ornaments off the tree. So like, that should give me a little bit of credit. I don't know. These are 2 of the 3 boxes for the new desk that I want to put together. This area is not too bad. I might want to organize it a little bit better. Maybe not tonight, maybe another day. And then these are all my clothes, clean clothes that were drying that I need to like put away. Random poster board. This was all stuff that some of this used to be on my desk, so I just need to clean it up. This is my coffee that I'm still drinking. It's a Christmas tree box that I brought up, stuff from my desk, tools to put the new desk together. So I think first things first is to put these clothes away, and then Christmas tree, and then desk probably. So let's do that. Okay, so I got all the clothes out. I think the next step is probably the Christmas stuff, but I also am trying to decide where I want to put my desk. So the old desk used to be over there in the corner, which you can't see, but it's too small for the new desk. The new desk is wider. So I'm kind of thinking about putting the new desk here. But like this bed over here is such a waste of fucking space. Like nobody sleeps on it. It's just there sucking up space. The other option was to put the desk here, but I think it's gonna be too wide and then like you can't get to the closet, which you can barely get to now. So I feel like here is the most logical spot. So that's what we're gonna try. If that doesn't work, I guess I can move it. So I'm really excited for this desk. I bought this desk from IKEA like months ago. I'm pretty sure it was like at least August? I'm pretty sure it was August. And I've had it in here and I didn't want to put it together until I got the old one out of here, and we just finally did that like a couple weeks ago. So long overdue for doing this, but I'm excited to finally get it together and hopefully it's as cute as I remember it being. It's been a minute since I put IKEA furniture together, but I think I can still do it, so fingers crossed. Wish me luck. I'm gonna watch some random show in the background while I time lapse the video. Okay, so I got one drawer holder together, not the drawers, but like the exterior of the thing put together. And I'm so hot in here. Like when the lights are on, it is just sweltering in this room, and I'm like sweating because I'm, you know, exerting energy, and the lights are hot. I'm tired. We're gonna power through. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna get it done. The good thing is, so these are actually, these drawers are like a smaller version of the Alex drawers that I have in my bathroom, which I've put together successfully. All right, we have the whole shell of the drawers together. Solid progress. Now I just need to put all of the drawers together. All right, let's get these drawers. Go. Oh. Good. All right, let's get it on. I honestly find putting together furniture somewhat soothing. It's kind of weird because it can be stressful, but I also kind of like it. Probably because I don't do that much like physical labor-y things during the day most of the time, so it's kind of nice to get some hammer and screw action in. You know what I'm saying? Boom, baby! Bam! Got it drawn. Love it. So I still have to screw the drawers, but they all work, so yay! Now I feel like I'm like 45% done. Maybe 50%? Almost 50%. Nice progress though. Okay, it's like 11:15, but I got both drawers together. I'm also getting really delirious because I didn't eat dinner, and don't do that, folks. Don't do what I did because I'm so tired and like hungry, and it's not a good combination. So I'm gonna finish this and then go eat some dinner. Okay, so I'm starting to think about my spacing here. So I have these here, and it's hard to kind of judge how big the tabletop is, but I guess once I get it on, I'll see. And I like having my mirror over here in the corner, but I need to figure out, like, if I have the mirror in the corner, if I want to stand in front of the mirror for like a photo or something, the desk is like all up on my butt. So that's not really gonna work. So I'm wondering if maybe I should scoot these down a little bit more, because I have some space here that's just kind of like wasted space, and I'll move this light obviously, but I'm thinking I'm gonna scoot it down a little bit and see how that plays. Okay guys, here is the desk put together. I friggin' love it. So far I'm loving the way it looks, and I'm loving the placement in my office. So far so good, and at some point I'd like to upgrade my chair, but it'll do for now. So I have my little laptop stand. I'd also like to get a monitor, like a big monitor to go here at some point, but this will do for now with my laptop and a little stand so I could sit here and typity. Look out my cute office. And yeah, success! And it's, what time is it? It is 11:37. All right, not bad. Not too shabby. All right guys, thanks for hanging with me as I got my office together finally. I think it's looking pretty good. I feel like it's in good shape. Still a few things that I want to change or things I want to add here and there, things like that, but I feel so good and happy that I was productive and I got the 2 things done that I wanted to do today. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, and have a great night. Bye!